Ending weeks of speculation and after prolonged turmoil in the Karnataka BJP, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has resigned. The 78-year-old said in a very emotional address in the Karnataka Assembly, "When Atal Bihari Vajpayee was Prime Minister, he asked me to be a minister at the centre, but I said I will be in Karnataka." He broke down as he spoke about his resignation, observing how the BJP had grown in Karnataka in what appeared to be a message to the central leadership. B.S. Yediyurappa had met the BJP High Command, including Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President J.P. Nadda in the capital recently. He had told the media then that he will do what the top leadership asks of him as far as his resignation is concerned. "It has always been an Agni Pariksha, trial by fire for me. These last 2 years, it was COVID," Yediyurappa said in the assembly today, even as BJP marked 2 years of its government in Karnataka. The BJP government in Karnataka was formed amid high drama after the Congress-JDS alliance government collapsed following 14 months in power when it failed to prove majority. Yediyurappa then won the vote of confidence after the speaker disqualified 14 rebel MLAs. All 105 BJP MLAs had then chosen Yediyurappa in a voice vote. However, trouble started brewing in the Karnataka BJP after MLAs voiced opposition to Yediyurappa's son's alleged interference in the working of the party and its MLAs. As uncertainty prevailed over his resignation, Lingayat monks had met Yediyurappa in a show of strength. However, that does not seem to have worked in his favor. Yediyurappa is the most prominent Lingayat face representing the politically influential Lingayat community in Karnataka. Meanwhile, some names doing the rounds for the post of Chief Minister are former Union Minister D.V. Sadanand Gowda or BJP General Secretary C.T. Ravi. There are also two other prominent community leaders, R. Ashok and C.N. Ashwath Narayan. There has been an increase in demands for a Dalit Chief Minister within the BJP in the past 2 weeks. Deputy Chief Minister Govind Karjol and B. Sriramulu are also seeking the top post. Union Minister Prahlad Joshi's name for the top post was also doing the rounds.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.